All right, so some people were curious about what frequency the OmniBot was using. Some people thought it was 27 megahertz. And like I said, I thought that when you did things, it sent tones out. So left, right, up, forward, and backwards would be different tones. So I have batteries in my remote here, and I've put a antenna on the spectrum analyzer. It doesn't really matter what it is, we're so close. So when I turn the device on, we get a carrier. So it is an FM. It is an FM because there's data there all the time. And when I actually move the controller to go, like, say, backwards, I can tell that's FM modulation. You get all these little things in there. So I know it's FM modulation. But we're here at 49.86 megahertz. 49.86. So there's a couple bands it could be in. It could be down in the kind of the CB radio bands, but it's here, up here in the kind of the baby monitor band land. Baby monitor, you can get licenses for certain frequencies for things like this, low power type operations and stuff. So yeah, so let's see if this thing will output some tones. So I don't have a software package that allows me to demodulate FM here. If I had the plus version of this, I think it has FM modulation, but my unit does not have FM modulation. But I have other radios, so I've got this icon here, and it can tune to 49.86. All right, so I'll turn this up, and then when I hit forward, it's giving me a tone. Here's backwards, left, right. So I guess I could do that all on the camera here, right? Yeah. And there's a couple buttons here. So yeah, so it is just sending. It is sending FM modulated tones to the robot. So the robot just has an FM receiver in it. And yeah, that's all there is to this thing. I think I'll put this up on eBay. I think you can get quite a bit of money out of these controllers, especially a nice one like this. I'm not going to be using it any longer, so might as well get a few bucks out of it. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. And if we take a look at the old controller board here, this is the FM receiver right here. And so we can just read the frequency right off of the crystal here. It's 49.4, something's in the way, 49.405. Okay, and that'll take it to some IF frequency, and then that IF frequency will probably be slope detected for the FM and sent to the rest of the circuit. So very simple little walkie-talkie circuit over here. Couple adjustments, and yeah, there you go. All right, I suppose the tones go into the little microcontroller, and it determines which frequency was being sent, which audio frequency was being sent, this little 4-bit microprocessor, and then it turned on and off the H bridges and things like that. So that's how all that was done. All right, well, there you go. Just a quick video for those interested of how this thing operated. 49 megahertz, FM modulation, little FM circuit, and a microcontroller to figure out which tone was being sent.